Hello everybody, this is Light Overdose. Today I'm gonna share with you the process of replacing the screen of this HP Chromebook. The screen was cracked somehow and for some reason. We are going to replace it with a brand new screen. And by the way, this is an HP 14 CA023NR model. To do this we need basic tools. We need a plastic spudger or a pick, just so we don't damage the laptop's body since it's all made of plastic. We need a small Phillips screwdriver, and if your hands gets sweaty, I recommend wearing a pair of plastic gloves just so we don't damage the electronic components of the laptop. And the last thing we need is the replacement screen. I got this one brand new from Amazon, and the link is gonna be down at the description. Let's start the replacement. We are going to separate gently this frame from the screen. It's attached to the screen with a double-sided adhesive and a bunch of clips on the bezel. So by using the plastic spudger, we are going to gently release these clips and try to remove this frame. So I'm gonna start from here. Alright, so gently slide in the plastic spudger and make your way in, and here you go. You can hear those clips releasing, as you can hear the double-sided adhesive. It comes off really easy. You gotta crack it open from here too.
We'll take this from me, and I'll put it right here.
The frame was easily released without having to disassemble the whole computer. Now we have to remove 4 screws that holds up the screen to the back cover. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we have to unplug the video cable. It is adhesive, just to reinforce. So this is the broken screen. Let's install the new one. Alright, this is the new LCD screen. The first thing to do is gonna keep this here, is to plug the video cable. And I'm gonna put some tape just to reinforce the attachment so it doesn't come off. Second step is to attach the screen back. Next, we have to remove the screen film from the corner. So last thing is to install the frame back. I start with the bottom. I insert gently the bottom and start pressing on the edges one by one. You hear those clips clicking. And voila, this is how easy it was to replace the screen on this HP Chromebook. You don't need to disassemble the whole unit. All you gotta do is to remove this frame. The screen is working fine. It was a little bit expensive to purchase the screen brand new, but I think it's gonna cost you more if you hire somebody to reinstall that for you. So I hope this video is gonna be helpful. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. Peace.